Представляем вашему вниманию первое противостояние основного карда M1 Challenge 86, битва нартов. Трехраундовый супербой в полулегком весе.
My name is Diego Davila from Brazil. I'm very happy to come back here in the chat. 3 times here. I'm now English.
Я Бусурманкул Абдибаит уулу из Кыргызстана. Представляю бойцовский клуб Fighter KG. Уважаемые любители ММА, я нахожусь в Ингушетии, прекрасная страна.
I'm come back here. I'm in set Russia. So I'm no friend. I'm not like you. I'm winning today.
Диего, давай работаем четко и честно.
Итак, господа, это реванш. Спортсменам есть что сказать друг другу. В синем углу ринга спортсмен из Бразилии. Приветствуйте, Диего Давила!
As under the M1 Global rules set in a 3-round fight, only 1 round needs to be completed if an access by way of choke.
Спортсмен красного ринга представляет Республику Кыргызстан, клуб Fighter KG. По прозвищу Алай, приветствуйте, Бусурманкул, Абдибаит, уулу!
Flowing in both directions in this rematch. Diego Davila versus Busurmankul Abdibait уулу. The global
champion and a national luta livre champion from Brazil. Please welcome Diego Davila. Representing Fighter KG, Kyrgyzstan. Please welcome Busurmanкул уулу.
We are set. Round number 1. White trunks, black trim for Davila. White trunks, blue trim for Abdibait уулу.
Well, Davila was the first to go for the takedown.
Big swings, counter right hand.
That's what I'm saying, Sean, that counter. You swing forward like that, you get hit with a counter. Davila needs to be very...
And right machine.
Well, he did throw a kick that time, but it was a high kick to the body instead of the inside kick.
Kick right back to the right hand from Davila, the body kick, counter body kick.
Oh, nice body kick. All red.
Davila shakes his head, no, lands the right hook.
Davila looks like he's smiling. He's enjoying this.
Left hook getting through from Abdibait уулu.
Grip, beautiful. He gets it. Nice work. Уулу gets back to his feet pretty easy. Oh, he tags him with the left hook. That rocked him, Sean.
Now coming forward, Abdibait уулu. Davila firing back with the left hand.
There, that's how much he's thrown himself forward. Nice low kick.
Draws a smile from Davila.
Oh, again, nice and strong with a right hand and counter. Oh,
big left hand.
He's down, Sean. He goes to the canvas. He needs to pass that guard.
Off of the right hand. 50 seconds remaining. Round 1. He's out.
He's out. He was gone. Good stoppage. That was a great stoppage. He went.
Davila complaining the Mika's sinking in, but he was flashed.
Yeah, he was out. He was out. It was a good stoppage. There's a knockout no matter what position you're in. If you're out, you're out.
Machine, I believe, complaining the Mika's sinking in. But in the estimation of the machine and myself, Sinkinen got it right.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 minutes, 14 seconds of round one, we have a winner. Due to knockout, Busurmankul